Dude, I can lag so bad easily. I really hate this so much. No, Chris is Scott! Bro. Bro, my TV is loud. Am I going the right way? I really need to know. Yeah, I'm going in the right way. Where the hell's the tornado? Okay, alright, am I in the right spot? Okay, maybe if I go right there, then it'll be better. Right? Is this good? Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's deploy. Hazard. Let's survive this, even though I don't have, like... Alright, parking brake too. Okay, here it comes. I see it. What's doing speed? Bro, my FPS is so bad. Oh shoot, I'm right. No! Oh! Oh. It's not bad than I expected. I really expected it to be that bad. Before it starts to take us. Yeah, we're starting to get full. Parking brake. That's not helping. It's so GG. It's so GG. It's so GG. No! Bro, no, stop. My card is dead. Yeah, it's a goner. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm done with this. Yeah,